set my prized pine aflame. And is that Dancer? Dancer! Oh no! Oh no! Oh, sweet Cupid! Vixen! What have they done?
Santa, take cover!
I didn't come here to observe, child. I'm taking the North Pole back.
Yes, Santa, you tell him.
Santa! Thank Christmas you're here.
What's going on, Vincent?
Claus has taken over the workshop. He's turned people and the boys from shipping and receiving against us.
Claus isn't going to get away with it.
We've even created a fleet of evil mechanical reindeer.
So this is where the reign of mechanical animals began. Looks like the workshop is ahead.
Mary has enacted emergency shutdown.
That little guy mentioned mechanical reindeer. Santa...
Claus killed my precious reindeer friends and made these abominations.
Claus is one twisted you-know-what.
You know what?
I am not going to swear in front of SANTA.
It's okay, dearie. Naughty words aren't naughty deeds.
Turn your head and cough. Okay, that's all the reindeer here. There are other sables?
I'll take you there.
Okay, that's all of them.
Santa, your time is over.
Twinkle. How could you?
Claus gave us a better deal, Fluffy. Weekends off, sick pay, and we get to make guns. Real ones.
He's on the move. My goodness! Claus has turned Twinkle and his cohorts into giant elves.
Giant elves? Where?
Right there. Can't you see?
Wait, you mean the normal-sized people?
Normal size to you, but giant for elves.
Time to paint the snow red. The elves are in charge now. Down with Santa's tyranny! The elves own the North Pole now, fat man! Claus is our Kringle now!
My most trusted elf. He's been with me so long, I can't believe he betrayed me.
It'll be okay, Santa, right?
Oh, yeah. Probably.
Wow, boss. Real convincing.
Got a straggler!
Now that Claus is grounded. What's next?
We have to get into the workshop.
Are you seriously feeling nothing here? Christmas is dying right before your eyes.
You want me to lie, Shaundi? It's just a holiday.
That is so sad.
Okay, here's the packing area,
This is where the magic happens.
and where the magic will die if we don't act soon.
Don't say that, Santa. We're going to stop Claus. We're going to fix the future.
With the front closed off, the only way into the workshop is through the present sorter.
Always did look good in gift wrap.
Shaundi, dear, can you be a good girl and stay here? If we don't make it, you have to tell the others.
I'm not leaving your side, Santa.
I need you to do this for me, Shaundi.
What? I've come too far to stop now. Do you know what I've been through? I've lost friends, compatriots, my arm.
Oh, and an eye.
Yes, and an eye. I can't just give you up, Santa.
This is about something much bigger than me, Shaundi. This is about Christmas. And those other holidays, too.
Fine. Fine. I'll stay. But don't forget about me.
Thank you, dear. I won't.
I'm gonna melt your gumdrops, Cookie.
Oh, honey, you're okay.
No time to talk. The elves and I are kicking ass.
Like I said, he's decking the halls.
Oh, this Claus is a badass.
Protect this Claus! Get away from me! Die, you crumb bum! Get back, you ingrates!
What happened?
Winkle turned everyone against us. Me and the elf resistance have been trying to protect the pole.
Is it safe?
You know it, hun. But this fight is far from over.
Oh, the North Pole is a weapon?
The North Pole is whatever you need it to be.
But
Oh, I think you'll find something special for you, too.
For me? Santa, you shouldn't have.
What's Christmas without some music? Hey there, Santa. How are you? Don't you know your days are through? Claus, you fiend!
stay back, dear. We got this.
I'm fighting too, honey. Your army never will give me pause, for none can stop the mighty Claus. Grab the fat man quickly, you, and grab his little helper, too. Get the North Pole, bring... Kill them! Kill them! Kill them all! Before this Claus, they all will fall!
Claus go?
He probably popped away to some other simulation.
I thought taking out his reindeer would stop him.
The sleigh can take us wherever we want to go. It's over!
Our workshop is in shambles.
It's all right, hon. We'll fix this. We'll rebuild. Right, kid?
Yeah. We'll fix this, Sam.
Gingerbread must die! Die, Gingy! I'm gonna eat you alive! Die, Gingy!
Wait, what about that Shondi girl?
Oh! I'll go.